Welcome to RevuNova app, your quick guide for managing store reviews. Now let's build a social proof for this product that has 0 reviews. First, activate your 16-day free trial to unlock all features and experience the full functionality of RevuNova. Second, importing reviews, which is the quickest way to build social proof. You can use CSV, or for now, let's import from Marketplace. Select your target product. Choose the source platform, Amazon in our case. Now let's say the same item you are selling is also available on Amazon, and you want to import those reviews into your store. Copy the product's URL from your browser. Return to RevuNova app and paste the URL in the import field. Click Import to begin the process. After the process finishes, click on the pop-up link to manage the reviews. Here you can implement translations, filter out unwanted words, and perform various bulk actions to manage your reviews. Now click here to go directly to your product page and see your imported reviews live. You can see here the update of title rating, click on it, and here the reviews section with all its content. This is an imported video. Helpful count is also imported. Now going back to the introduction guide. Third, customizing appearance. Click here. That's for now. Update the theme color to blue. There are various options like sorting preferences and display settings to match your store's style. Return to the product page and refresh to see the theme color update. Now going to the final step inside the introduction guide, which is setting the up language and translation options of the reviews. Click here. Now select this option, which will activate the live translation to support all your available markets. Let's test this feature. Return to the product page and change the market to Portuguese. Watch how the translation instantly updates everything, from the title rating to all reviews section content. These features represent the fundamental capabilities of RevuNova app to build social proof and enhance your store's credibility.